one 16-ounce bag, frozen tortellinis. Coming in with 1 pound of cooked Italian sausage, 2 green bell peppers, which we've just diced into large pieces. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder to this because I love garlic. Onion powder, same, my other favorite food. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Oh, you guys, this is already smelling amazing. Now I chose this Rao's vodka sauce. I'm gonna put some of this in here. We're gonna put the whole jar in because it's a special day. All right, I've got 15 ounces here of ricotta cheese. I'm gonna put about half of this in, so maybe 7.5 to 8 ounces. And now I've got an Italian style 6 cheese blend. Asiago, Parmesan Romano, Fontino, Mozzarella, Provolone. Probably put about half of this in here to start. And I do want to break up this ricotta a little bit and start mixing this all together. We're gonna have those delicious tortellinis at the bottom there with our Italian sausage, our green bell peppers, our nice vodka sauce, and that creamy ricotta to just kind of like take this all home. And the great thing about the air fryer, you don't have to turn your oven on. If you're a kid in a dorm room, this is perfect. All right, I'm gonna put the remainder of my cheese right on top here. Oh, there wasn't too much left, y'all, so just give that a little spread. And now I'm gonna pop this into my air fryer. That's crazy, it was actually a little bit heavy. All right, I'm turning my temp down to 350. This sets automatically to 400. We just want it 350. And for the time, I am just gonna do 15 minutes. Wow, that was such a quick, easy dinner, y'all. Can't wait to try it. Alrighty, y'all, 15 minutes. Look at that delicious cheesy crust on top. We've got our tortellinis in here with our Italian sausage, ricotta, all kinds of goodness, yumminess. I cannot wait to bite into this and get myself a big, delicious bite. Get one of these tortellinis. Now these are frozen tortellinis, but you could use the refrigerated kind as well. It's totally up to you and what's available at your local store. This is so good. So easy, so good. Y'all gotta try it.